What's up, YouTube? Check it out, family, man. We got some things to discuss, but more importantly, I want to get you guys prepared for 2023. So we are going to do a portfolio review for subscribers only, okay? And I want to make sure you guys send me in what you are currently holding so that we can kind of clean up some things if we need to, gearing up for 2023, okay? Also, guys, we got something to talk about as a family, okay? Wall Street and Main Street are two different things, and it's important you guys know and understand that, okay? Good news in the stock market could mean bad things for the real economy and vice versa, okay? So without further ado, let's go ahead and dive into it. This morning, guys, the non-farms job report came out and the market crashed instantly, going down from the 407, 408 level all the way down to the 400 level. Okay, that was like a $7 drop in price at the time this came out. And some of the reasons why, guys, is because, again, I told you, Wall Street and Main Street are not the same, okay? They added 88,000 jobs in leisure and hospitality. Although people are working and you want to see people employed, we always talk about the importance of a strong economy, a strong workforce. When you have jobs, especially in an inflationary environment, guys, it's not good for stocks, which is part of the reason the market dropped today. Then you had healthcare and social assistance being another area that added over 68,000 jobs on the day. Government added 42,000 jobs. Construction, 20K. Okay, and so some of the weaker areas was transportation and warehousing, as well as retail. People not looking to work in Macy's or Kohl's or JC Penney's and things like that. Those areas are still down 30,000, okay? But check it out, guys. Good news is bad for the stock market, and you will sometimes see that bad news is good for the stock market. It's something I want you guys to wrap your head around as we move into 2023, okay? Also, I wanted just to say major salute to all of you guys that did your thing on this week, okay? Guys, we had a phenomenal week, but more importantly, we are going to continue to have great weeks leading up to the end of the year and into next year. Matter of fact, guys, I want you to gear up right now, okay? We are going to do a portfolio review and then we're going to dive into the charts. But right now, guys, just so you guys know, stay and watch this video till it ends, okay? We will do a setup together, okay? And we are going to make some money together, okay? We're going to pick a setup later on in the video. We're going to play that setup all next week together. And I'm going to give you guys one setup a week to play. Then you send me your screenshot that you follow what we taught to a T, because I want to show you what's possible, but I want you to see for yourself what's possible, okay? And then, guys, let's go ahead and dive into this portfolio today. This individual has Dogecoin as well as ETC. Then, as you can see, HD, ticker symbol TSLA, ticker symbol AAPL, AMD, American Airlines, VTI, UAL, and BABA. Look at this though, guys. I see 4 shares of BABA. I see 14 shares of UAL. 2 shares of VTI, okay? Now, on your journey, guys, it's about building and understanding that it's a marathon, okay? So I love to see this for new and beginning investors on your journey, okay? Now, around here, we strive to slowly but surely build out our long-term plays. So I would be curious for you guys to let me know, what are your long-term holds? What are your trades? Please don't confuse the two, okay? So I see Apple in here. I see Tesla. I see VTI. My first mind goes to the fact that those 3 may be long-term holds, okay? Now this Home Depot, this AMD, this American Airlines, that lets me know things like the airlines may either be a play on a return to travel picking up, that may be a trade, or this individual may fly, may be a flight attendant or something like that, okay? But nevertheless, guys, I love to see it. I want to make sure that you guys, not only around here, we keep 10 stocks or less, okay? I notice when I do this, the more you guys have 50, 60, 70 stocks, you better off buying an ETF. Number two, you spreading your money thin so you can't build out your plays. Okay, so what I've seen for my own success over the years is less is more. Okay, you got 1 to 3 good stocks, 5 is great, no more than 10, you good to go. Okay, so make sure you guys send me in or text me or email me what you are holding to close out the year going into the new year, and I'll take a look as well as what you guys are in and let you know, if you ask, what moves you may want to make and things like that. Okay guys, we are going to look into the charts right now. Okay, and I have this 1 minute chart on Apple pulled up. Okay, that's neither here nor there. I told you guys, when I see charts I see money, so I don't care what the ticker is. Okay, but with that being said, man, every single chart has patterns we can take advantage of, but more importantly, we can make money off of. Okay, so let's go ahead and take a look at this one, guys. Right here I have highlighted for you the double bottom. Okay, and matter of fact, that will be the setup that we will play as a family all next week. So next Monday, okay, beginning on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday of next week, together we gonna play the double bottom of whatever stock you're in. Okay, you guys know my big three is Tesla, Apple, and SPY. Okay, why? Because they are fluid, they are filled with liquidity, and so they move how you need stocks to move. But it's a bunch of other good stocks out there as well, QQQ being one and plenty others. Okay, but check it out, guys. When it comes to next week, all right, you already know, and I'm gonna bring back the $100 a day challenge. I'm gonna give you guys a stock, give you guys a strike, and I want to see you guys knock those off the park too. But for next week, we are going to have a competition around chart pattern recognition. Okay, and next week chart pattern recognition will be the double bottom, which means what, guys? That means collectively as a family we will be buying calls off of any double bottom setup that we choose to play. Okay, again, no matter the stock, when you see a double bottom develop, you enter on the second bounce. Okay, and so here, guys, as you see, I have it circled of what a double bottom looks like on a chart. This also means you guys will need to follow a chart, look at a chart, go to tradingview.com, go to yahoo.com, you can look on Webull, anywhere, Thinkorswim. Okay, anywhere that has some decent charts you can look at, and then you can play them. Okay, and so they show up best on the candlestick chart. So if you guys can, make sure you looking at, I don't care if it's the 1 minute time frame, 2 minute time frame, 5 minute time frame, 15 minute time frame, but when you see a double bottom setup develop, okay, I want you to take the shot. You ain't have to be greedy. You can do one contract just for teaching purposes, because going into next year is slated to be worse than 2022. And if that happens to be true, guys, we're going to be prepared. And if it ain't true, that's just better for us. Okay, we're not tripping either way, but I want you guys to know how to make money regardless. Okay, some of you do desire to lead a corporate plantation, and this is one way to do that. Okay, so listen, guys, we got a jam-packed month ahead of us to close up the year on a strong note, but more importantly, I'm already looking forward to 2023 because I'm excited about the things you guys are learning each and every day. And again, like and subscribe and join us in the Discord for continuous learning and continuous opportunities to make money on this journey together. Okay, but look, guys, we make videos like this every day, so if you like this one, make sure you check out the next one. Remember, most people see the end result, very few consider the journey. So do me a favor, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Make sure you guys grab some free stock using my link below, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.